Good evening, MRI TV viewers. This is Nassuuna Angela with the top stories tonight. A devastating natural disaster has struck the Kashmir region, where torrential rains have triggered deadly flash floods, claiming the lives of at least 56 people. Rescue operations are ongoing as authorities rush to locate the missing and provide aid to those affected. The disaster began unfolding late last night after relentless rainfall pounded the region for more than 36 hours. Rivers and streams overflowed, sweeping away homes, roads, and entire villages. Eyewitnesses described terrifying scenes of water rushing through settlements, giving residents little or no time to escape. The central and local governments have launched emergency response operations, relief camps have been set up, and the army has been deployed to help with search and rescue. However, bad weather continues to hamper efforts.
In 2013, we had the cloudburst, which triggered glacial lake outburst flood in Uttarakhand in the Kedarnath region, and then we lost more than 6,000 people.
We will continue to follow this developing story and bring you updates throughout the hour. For now, our thoughts are with the victims and their families during this tragic time. Stay with us, more national and international news is coming up after the break. A good evening to you.
Pristalice Srpske napredne stranke koji su stajali ispred svojih prostorija u Straželovskoj ulici. Tom prilikom je povređen jedan policijski službenik za sada, ali verovatno ima i drugih povređenih, imajući u vidu da je došlo do masovnog napada. Policija je morala da interveniše i da